I was completely off track.
Confession time. I really just want to go home and lay on the couch and just eat. It's a beautiful day.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So last week did not go so well. If you haven't watched that video, I will include a link up above. So this week I realized that the reason I was so tired last week was because my body was trying to fight off a cold. But I wasn't going to let that get me down. I knew that last week did not go so well, and I did not want to have another bad week. So I just thought, Heather, it's time to suck it up and just do what you planned anyway. And I did. This past week, which I'm going to go over right now, was a completely different story. I started a new workout routine, which I'll get to in a minute. And I followed my plan pretty closely as far as nutrition goes. For meal one, the plan included avocado toast, and I topped it with hard-boiled eggs that just made it easy for meal prep. Meal two was cottage cheese with canned peaches, no sugar added, of course. Meal four was Trader Joe's PB&J bars. And for lunches and dinner, the plan included Skinny Taste lemon chicken and asparagus stir fry, and I topped that with a cup of Trader Joe's stir-fried cauliflower rice. Another meal I had was Skinny Taste pasta with Italian chicken sausage, escarole, I don't know how to say that, and beans. I did omit the beans and used Banza pasta instead of wheat. And I got a new cookbook from No Crumbs Left, and I made the tangy baked potato with red pepper sauce and pickled onions, and I also topped those with jalapeno chicken sausage. I did eat on plan and within my calorie range Monday through Friday. Friday is huge for me because normally in the past I would come home on Friday afternoon and I'd be like, oh, it's Friday, I can let loose and I don't care. This weekend was a different story. I did stay on track on Friday and stayed within my calories. Saturday, I went out with a friend. If you didn't know, it was National Margarita Day, so that meant I had to go out for Mexican with my friend, and we had some margaritas. So I did go over calories that day. I did keep my calories lower in the beginning of the day, and I did work out in my app where I track my calories. It did say that I was still in a deficit if you add back the exercise calories. I don't normally like to do that. Sundays are normally days where I will eat like junk food, but within my calories. So now for workouts. So I resubscribed to Kathy Friedrich's on-demand app. You basically have access to all of her workouts. I have always loved Kathy Friedrich. I think I've been doing her workouts for probably over 10 years. And I love step aerobics, and she has great step aerobics workouts. I actually took a rotation from her Step Boss series. I did not miss one workout. On Monday was IMAX 4. Kathy has 3 other IMAX workouts. They're basically interval workouts on the step. Basically, you'll do 10 sets of intervals. So you'll do, it's called a combo, which is kind of more of a dancey. And what will follow right away is a step blast, where you go hard and you'll keep doing that combo, blast, and there's a total of 10 combos and blasts. Tuesday was PHA 3, which was a total body workout. The time just flew by. The music was great. I had fun. I loved it. Wednesday was Step Sync. So that was more of a dancey step workout, which of course I love because I used to be a dancer. So that was a ton of fun. The music was great. Thursday was an off day, so it was rest day. Friday was a DVD called Step Moves. So this one was a little different. Okay, that was an extremely frustrating workout. So I did a step moves workout and the sound or the audio wasn't syncing with what was going on the screen. So like everything was like a step off. If you've taken a step class or if you're a dancer, an ex-dancer like I am, you know how frustrating that can be. So I've seen reviews online about this video and apparently everyone is saying, oh, her cues are terrible, this is a terrible video, this is not like her other videos. I don't think her cues are what's off. I think it's when they recorded it or when they edited, they didn't line up the audio with the whatever was going on the screen. But it was really frustrating. I was about ready to turn it off and just not do it. Saturday I did another full body workout called Push Pull. It was from one of her prior series. I really loved the series that this DVD came from. I have done it before. The music is great, and again the workout just flew by because it was very fast paced. And then Sunday was a really fun workout. I think this is one of my favorite step workouts from her, Party Rockin' Step. It's more of a dancey step workout, but not too difficult. There's 6 combos that you go through. You learn the move, you repeat it several times, then you go to the next combo, and then at the end you do a challenge where you do all of the combos together. So that was my week in a nutshell, and I'm sure you're wondering how my weigh-in went. Well, let's take a look.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue.
Alright, so that means I lost 1.8 pounds this week, which I am very proud of. I know that I am losing weight slower than most. However, I want this to be something that will last me a lifetime. I'm tired of the yo-yoing. I'm tired of losing a couple pounds and then gaining 5. Losing a couple pounds, gaining 5, and then the cycle just continues. I can't continue to do that. So slow and steady wins the race. I do tend to have moments where I'm like, God, this sucks. This is gonna take forever. However, I know that a year from now, I'm going to be happy that I stayed consistent and I kept with it. So that's it for this week. I am going to wrap up the video with that. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when I have a new video. I do upload every Friday at noon. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how your weight loss journey is going. Are you on a weight loss journey? How is it going? Just tell me a little bit about you, because I kind of want to get to know some of my people who are watching my videos. Until next time, I will see you guys next week. Bye.